down to one thing, and that is your will.
What's your
So
will?
you don't want it bad enough.
What's your will? Listen, this is America's health teacher, owner and operator of Abundant Health Services. Basic steps to better health. I am Miss Wells. Hey, the home of health leads. Let's go. I need you to get up. Channel your inner Ric Flair. Listen, if Ric Flair had a black daughter, that would be me. Woo! Let's go. Check it. I need you to do your part. I need you to do your part. Get up. Ask yourself this question. Where am I going in my health? Listen, if you ain't got no health plan, guess what? The government got one for you. And it's leading you to an early grave. Premature death, that's where it's going. So I'm going to need you to do your part. Get up. Get up. Get up and fight back. Get up and actually strategize. And if you don't know what to do, here's what we starting with. Walk, hydrate, meditate. Listen, what we doing? We walking at least 20 to 30 minutes a day. That's something that you need for life. Your heart and your immune system depends upon it. Your metabolism needs you to do it. Listen, there's so many health benefits on so many of your different body systems that depend upon you walking. Start there. And then I need you to hydrate, making sure that you have at least half of your body weight in ounces of water. So if you weigh 200 pounds, that's 100 ounces of water you need each day. If you weigh 100 pounds, listen, that's 50 ounces of water you need for the day. The amount of water that you put in your tea, your coffees, guess what? That counts. And guess what? You should be having 3 to 4 herbal teas a day, specifically green tea. Specifically green tea. All the teas ain't created equal. I'm telling you. You better go on ahead and go hard to get that green tea. Go hard in the paint. Since some of y'all don't know, trying to watch the trail, y'all. My bad. A lot of branches fell. Anywho, here's the thing. You need antioxidants. You need to support your glutathione levels. Here's an easy way for you to do it with green tea. Green tea. I ain't asking you to figure out everything else. Start with green tea. You can get 4 different types of green tea. Interchange them. Put multiple ones in one cup, as I do. Let's go. Let's go. You can get you some ginger green tea. Turmeric green tea. Excuse me. Pomegranate green tea. Listen, they make acai and blueberry green tea. You can get matcha green tea. Is the most potent. I highly recommend it unless you're someone that's super sensitive to caffeine. If you're super sensitive to caffeine, get the decaffeinated green tea. Or get the ginger green tea. Stick with those two because they're naturally decaffeinated. All right? So I love y'all. Green tea don't have a lot of caffeine in it. If you're someone that wants to improve your metabolism, you can also use that pu'er tea. Listen, get you some yerba mate tea or some oolong tea, pu'er tea, and guayusa tea. You can interchange those if metabolism, if you want to be able to improve your metabolism. I'm telling y'all, do your part. So we walk, we hydrate, and then we meditate. You want to sleep smarter. Get you some of that Ease Magnesium. Get you some of that Ease Magnesium. Listen, it's a topical magnesium solution. That way you can make sure you're getting enough magnesium each day. Not only that, you can make sure that you're sleeping smarter because sleep is a meditation. Sleep is meditation. And this month at Abundant Health Services, our focus is meditation. So this is our first meditation challenge. So I want you to report in the comments. Listen, did you meditate yesterday or not? Do you plan to meditate today? Your answer should be yes and yes. You can do the 4-7-8 breathing method. Deep breathing exercises. That's meditation. They have guided meditations. You can do guided imagery. You could be doing the color therapy. Listen, there's so many ways to meditate. There's so many free, great meditations out there. The Honest Guys on YouTube, their YouTube channel, I'm telling you, straight fire. They have a lot of free meditations. Deepak Chopra also has some great meditations. But I love the Honest Guys. I need y'all to get up and win. Stop making excuses. You can also do what we call physiological sighs. I told y'all I call it the double inhale sigh, just to make it easy so people can understand what the instructions are. You take 2 breaths in, and then you sigh it out. And I like to affirm a health scripture when I do it in each one of those cycles. So that looks like this. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. You see how easy that is to do a walking meditation? Listen, But you should do this at night. You should do this in the morning when you get up, or when you're having moments in traffic, when you're stressed out, or if something is happening, or maybe you're spiraling out of control. Maybe your mind is clouded. You can't clear your mind. I'm telling you, that double inhale sigh is something that you could do in real time, in seconds. 1 or 2 cycles of it, it feels real nice. I recommend 5 or more. But guess what? I'm telling you, even 1, you'll notice a difference in your body. But you cannot keep ignoring meditation. Meditation is for you. Meditation is for believers. Meditation is for anybody in the world. Any human being. I'm telling you. So I know some people think, oh, because they're a Christian, they ain't supposed to be meditating. You better stop tripping. Yes, you is. Yes, you is. Anyways, I'm Miss Wells. I'm America's Health Teacher, owner and operator of Abundant Health Services. Basic steps to better health. This is the home for health leads. Let's go. Let's go. I need you to repeat after me. My health is my business. I can win in my health. Woo! My health is my business. I will win in my health. Woo! My health is my business. I must win in my health. Woo! Let's go. Let's go. This is Miss Wells. Peace.